What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we have a bunch of very good news directly related to NIO. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we should have some kind of retracement because we completed all the entire structure from this bottom to this top, and my main target was this point, this yellow line. It is the previous swing high. We have several confluence levels with these tops, and we reached it. We hit it to the tick, but we missed the entry level because my main assumption was that we should see some lower price action, at least at levels of 0.382. But if you saw my previous video, I made my previous video somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we should break this previous range of resistance, then retest it from the top, and this might be your entry point. And with the conviction of volume, we should hit higher target, and this target should be the same level at roughly $18 mark. And we hit it, and the upside potential and the profits basically is about 23.66%. Congratulations to all of you who took my call and who enter your position right here. So let's continue with the fundamental news, and definitely one of the reasons why we have this spike in its price on May the 20th is their listing on Singapore Stock Exchange. And let me go to this. NIO successfully listed on the main board of the Singapore Exchange. And the shares are traded on the main board of the SGXST under the stock code NIO in board lot sizes of 10 shares. The company's American Depository Shares, the ADSs, each representing 1 share, remain primarily listed and traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The shares listed on the main board of the SGXST are fully fungible with the ADSs listed on the New York Stock Exchange. And definitely it is a very good sign that fundamentally this asset has the third place where it is listed, and it has the ability to reach a broader audience that might be its investors. And definitely it is some kind of hedge against its potential delisting from New York Stock Exchange. And I have to say that we have NIO in this list, as you can see, from May the 4th. It is the HFCAA list. And this company for now has about 3 years to comply with this act. And we have several new companies in this list, but it cannot be the catalyst negative or positive for NIO because NIO is in this list from May the 4th. So, and let's continue with other news. We are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on May the 20th, and it says NIO added to Hang Seng Composite Index and Hang Seng Tech Index effective June 13. NIO rose 9.55% by the close of the Hong Kong stock market today, giving it a 34% gain since May 13. And this news is very important for NIO because when the company is added to the list of some indexes, definitely it has much more credibility, and definitely because of these major indexes of Hong Kong Stock Exchange, it will have much more attention from the retirement funds, and these funds invest huge amounts of money into the company that are in the list of these indexes. Definitely it is very bullish news. And let me show you another article. We are still on cnvpost.com, and this article is titled Suzhou Securities initiate coverage on NIO with buy rating. As NIO's existing model matrix continues to improve and the sub-brand allows further sales growth, NIO's annual sales are expected to reach the 1 million unit level by 2025, the team said. And let me quote you some details. Sucho Securities expects NIO revenue growth in 2022 to 2024 with year-on-year basis of 58.44%, 56.56% and 60.88% respectively. I have to say that it is a huge growth and huge forecast for NIO. And let me quote you further. Benefiting from the booming development of NEVs and potential market share gains, the team expects NIO's sales to maintain high double-digit growth. They expect NIO's gross margin to be 18.48%, 19.64% and 20.91% in 2022 to 2024. And I have to say that Tesla for now has a gross margin at the level of roughly 27.5%. The biggest improvement in gross margins for the vehicle business will be driven by the scale effect from the growth in vehicle sales. Sucho Securities gave NIO a buy rating without a specific price target. So we have a very good forecast for NIO, and I have to say that other analysts has a very good ratings as well. As you can see, the price targets are following: $26, $32, $60, $51.5, $34, and so on and so forth. And even the lowest price target of $26 implies more than 81% of potential profits for NIO. And definitely it is a very good bullish sign. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that this structure is quite tricky, and I see basically several possibilities of this structure. Definitely from the lowest point to its highest point, we might complete all 5 wave structure. In this case, we might have something like this. This might be our first wave. Second, this entire structure to this top or to this one might be the third wave, and I think we might have the top of the third wave right here. Then fourth wave as the retracement, and we complete all 5 waves with the latest movement to the upside. And this retracement might be like this. This is our top. Right here we might have the bottom of our A wave, extension in the B wave, and the C wave might be right here. And it doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rules, but it implies a very good beginning of this wave, and this means, in my opinion, it is the most probable outcome for now. So, if it is the case, we have to project some levels where we might land, and to do so, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to the highest point right here. And as you can see, we almost hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level with this point, and we reached the range of resistance from the previous bottom of the fourth wave. But this movement to the downside cannot retrace the entire wave from this bottom to this top because of the very short period of time. And most likely we might see some kind of ABC correction. We might have the B wave that will hit some higher targets, and then we should land somewhere lower, probably at the ranges of 0.5, this range of support/resistance, or even golden pocket range. We don't know it for now, but we have to keep in mind that the retracement right after the major movement to the upside should have a shape of simple zigzag at least. And this means in a matter of next several sessions, I think by the end of this week, we might land somewhere at the ranges from 14.87 all the way down to maybe $14, and it is also a very good round number. That might be the range of support. And from this level, if this asset hits this range, definitely we will see much higher volume from investors, because the golden pocket pattern statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal, and from its lowest point it is a perfect accumulation level where you can add to your position with the low amount of risks to hit higher targets. And you might wonder, what are the targets? Definitely it will be the next range of resistance, and it will be probably the range of about $24.17, $24.23, somewhere at this top. And this means, depending on the entry price, we might have, let's assume that your entry price will be at around $14.87. The upside potential for the next major movement will be about 63%. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.